This is a pretty common question about how to submit your site to Google, Bing and Yahoo. And it's something I don't think I've even covered. I'm also going to show you how to put a sitemap up as well. Okay, we'll go to Bing first. So I'll just show you the address. It's bing.com/toolbox/submit site URL. I'll put all the descriptions of the URLs in the description. Okay, so what you do really here is I'm going to put in the site I'm doing. It's not quite finished, but it's getting there. So I'm putting that up now. Okay, so you copy this. I've actually done it with Bing. So when you're doing it with Bing, you're also doing it for Yahoo as well. Okay, so you don't have to do another thing. You just have to do it to Bing. Okay, so you just paste that in there. All right, and then you do the captcha thing, which is WPXVHX. I'll do that. So it's capitals WPXVHJX. I think that's what it says there. I know these captcha things can be quite annoying. Submit your request. Okay. Your request was successfully submitted. Bing will come and visit your site soon to find out if your site is indexed and receiving traffic from Bing, or to submit more URLs. Sign up for a free account with Bing Webmasters Tools. Sign up and we'll give you £30 credit. You don't need to do that for. You just have to really sign up, and it's free. Everything there is free. I think I'm signed up, but I don't use Bing very often. And the one that a lot of people, Bing and Yahoo is still popular. So especially Bing, when you get a thing for Windows phones or something like that, it's still a player. And I think Microsoft Edge is a pretty decent browser, and that also goes to Bing by default. Anyway, going on to Google. Okay, so this is slightly changed Google Webmasters thing. Used to be just Google Webmasters. Okay, you just sign in with your normal account. Okay, your normal Google account, which I think most of you will have. So you just sign in with that. Okay, so this is me, and there's a few sites that I've got there. So right, okay, what you do here, okay, so what you do is you add property, and it's got the add the property website or Android app. Well, website for this one. Okay, so we just paste that into there, we add that. Okay, so now we got what it says, verification failed. I've tried this before and it didn't work, but anyway, so upload recommended HTML file upload. It's got upload an HTML file to your site. Download this HTML verification file. Upload the file to confirm success by visiting in your browser. Okay, so just download this. So this I think is quite small, kilobytes. Yeah, show in folder. Show in folder, right? What is this? It's an HTML file. Okay, so I'll just put this on the desktop for you people to see this. Okay, so we just pop it on here. Okay, that's that there. Go back to this. Upload the file to server. Okay, so go to my server. I usually use an FTP like FileZilla, like I've shown many times in the videos previous, but when it's just one or two files, it's okay to do it inside the actual app or the actual website that your server's on. Okay, so here's the file here. I've never actually done it this way before, I don't think. Anyway, so just open this. So I'm new to this as well. Open and upload. let's have a look, see if that's worked. Google site verification. Okay, so I think that's worked. So I'm not a robot. Okay, and okay, and verify. Let's see if this works. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully verified your ownership of Nigel Brewster. So okay, another thing, and this is adding a sitemap. I've actually done the, you just put the start URL in and do it there. Google has its own webmaster tools and has sitemaps, but these always file a third party thing is more accurate. Okay, so what I'm doing there is I'm just going to save the sitemap. You can actually save the sitemap in HTML and Google XML, which is the one thing we need. Okay, so this, even though it says it's Google, it's actually, you can use it for every Bing, Yahoo, and everything else really. So I'm just going to put that as Nigel. I'll just put this as what should I say? Website dot. Well, that'll do. Website there. Put it onto the desktop, and again, I think that's it there. Make sure that's XML. Yeah, XML document. Okay, right. So we're going to put this in the server as well, and where this goes is in the root folder. Just close that a minute. Which is, see this at the top. That's public HTML, public_HTML. This is your root folder, and this is where all your files go. So you pop this in here, right? Choose file. So we want that XML file, and that's it there. Website XML. Okay. You upload that. Right, and that should work. It doesn't on some browsers. This, it actually tells you, right, it's uploaded to 100%. On I'm using Chrome here, and it doesn't actually. Just sometimes still works, but it's not. You know, I'll just have a look down here. Okay, so it has uploaded, and this is it. If you go to edit, and there's your XML. Okay, so I thought this would be an interesting video for you if you stumble on of how to actually put your this is important in SEO, search engine optimization. You've got to submit your site, and I thought this would be an interesting one for you. People who maybe a bit scared to do this, but it's quite easy to do. So anyway, thanks for listening, and thanks for watching again.